Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with Inspiring Inputs. Everyone knows they are going to die, but nobody believes it. If we did, we would do things differently. Do what the Buddhists do. Every day, have a little bird on your shoulder that asks 1. Is today the day? 2. Am I ready? 3. Am I doing all I need to do? 4. Am I being the person I want to be? And lastly, is today the day I die? If you don't get ready today, you won't be ready tomorrow. I am convinced that only when a man is prepared to die is he also prepared to live. Ready or not, the future will happen. One never knows what each day is going to bring. The important thing is to be open and ready for it. When I am getting ready to cross a street, I look both ways before crossing. I am ready to be healed. I am willing to forgive. All is well. I am ready for the rest of my life to rise. Now I am ready to set new goals and start a new career for myself outside of the ring. I am ready for love, but I am not desperately seeking it. Loving is doing anything for them, thinking about them constantly, and being able to spend your whole life with that person. Liking somebody is just like, okay, I like them because of this and this, but I don't know if I am ready to be in love with them. God is more ready to forgive me than I am ready to offend. I am not God, nor am I phantom. I am ready to accept any criticism. I have been in politics for decades. Each and every day in several media, there is criticism of me. Mamata Banerjee, Chief Minister West Bengal. It is a terrible thing, I think, in life to wait until you are ready. I have this feeling that actually no one is ever ready to do anything. There is almost no such thing as ready. There is only now. You can't say what the outcome of a competition is going to be. So now I am ready to accept any result that comes my way if I give my best shot. If you want me to give you a 2-hour presentation, I am ready today. If you want only a 5-minute speech, It will take me 2 weeks to prepare. Mark Twain. When I am getting ready to reason with a man, I spend 1/3 of my time thinking about myself and what I am going to say, and 2/3 about him and what he is going to say. My bones, my muscles are not what they used to be. So I am careful when I go up and down stairs, because I have heard stories of older people falling and having very disabling injuries. I have enough things that begin to go a little bit wrong as I get a little bit older. Hope you like the content. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.